here are certain best life quotes ever. I hope you will find the inspiration and motivation you need to live the good life. Enjoy. Change your thoughts and you change your world. Three things in life: your health, your mission, and the people you love. That's it. Life is from the inside out. When you shift on the inside, life shifts on the outside. Those who realize their folly are not true fools. Life can only be understood backwards, but it must be lived forward. Keep your eyes on the stars and your feet on the ground. It's better to be a lion for a day than a sheep all your life. Life is a question, and how we live it is our answer. Difficult and meaningful will always bring more satisfaction than easy and meaningless. Keep looking up. That's the secret of life. It always seems impossible until it's done. Life is too important to be taken seriously. Life is not a matter of holding good cards, but sometimes playing a poor hand well. Life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you are going to get. Life isn't a matter of milestones, but of moments. My life is my message. Not how long, but how well you have lived is the main thing. Don't gain the world and lose your soul. Wisdom is better than silver or gold. I love those who can smile in trouble. Be happy for this moment. This moment is your life. Life is what happens when you are busy making other plans. Very little is needed to make a happy life. It is all within yourself, in your way of thinking. Life is short, and truth works far and lives long. Let us then speak the truth. In the end, it's not the years in your life that count. It's the life in your years. You are got to dance like there's nobody watching. Believe that life is worth living, and your belief will help create the fact. Do not take life too seriously. You will never get out of it alive. Don't search for the meaning of life. Simply be present for the people you love. The heart, like the stomach, wants a varied diet. I tell you, in this world, being a little crazy helps to keep you sane. The trick in life is learning how to deal with it. Get busy living or get busy dying. Anyone who lives within their means suffers from a lack of imaginations. Don't cry because it's over. Smile because it happened.